How do you craft a successful Instagram marketing strategy to promote your services and get new clients? You will find out in today's video. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business and making more money online. So if you're interested in these topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. As a social media manager myself, I have been using Instagram to market my social media marketing business and to market my services, my Instagram marketing, Pinterest marketing, and website design services. So I'm going to share with you exactly how you can do the same in today's video and get new clients by using Instagram. The first thing you need to decide is your niche and service types. You cannot offer services in every single niche and every single service. You must have an expertise or something that you are better at that you want to promote with your Instagram account. So decide on those and then have a set rate for those services and for your business, as well as information that you can offer your clients, such as what the service contains, how long does it take, how does it work. All of these things you will need to have before starting to promote with Instagram. The next thing you will need is a website and your rates to be decided. Obviously, you can negotiate those, but you must have some set rates for your clients. And your website must be a professional one. You must have a landing page for each service and a way for people to contact you on there. You need a place where people can read more about your services, see what you've worked with, see your portfolio and your clients' reviews as well. Now, if you have all of these things, you can start promoting with Instagram, and let's begin with your posts. So the posts that you post on your feed, they're your regular posts. These can be infographics, these can be testimonials, different portfolio items that you show the work that you've done. They can be informational carousels, so they can be knowledge posts that you use to share with your audience to show them that you are good at what you do and the knowledge that you have in your domain. So you attract your target audience and your future possible customers. And you can also add different posts of yourself, maybe photos of you traveling or photos that just show who you are to create a personal relationship with the viewers. Now let's talk about the types of content you can post on Instagram besides posts. I highly suggest using posts, stories every single day, and especially nowadays, reels are very effective. If you want to see how to create unique reels to attract your audience for your service providing business, make sure to watch this video right here I've created on this topic. The next step is to start attracting your audience to your content. You can attract them from different other platforms as well, such as YouTube, Facebook, or any other platforms that you have a following on, or you can attract them specifically from Instagram by using highly searched hashtags. You can watch this video right here to learn how to find those, or by using reels, as I've said. This will get new people to your profile, and then they will become interested in your services and eventually contact you for those services. A very important step is consistency. You need to be consistent and post daily on Instagram, whether you just come up and show up for a few stories only in days when you don't have time for anything else, or you just post a reel. It is very important that you are consistent and that your account doesn't stagnate. It is better to have a slow but consistent growth rather than a big growth and then nothing at all. You don't post at all after that. Not all of your posts need to be about your services and you promoting your services. They can be relatable things, they can be things from your life, but you need to stay active with your account. Now you might wonder, but how often do I promote services? I don't want to flood people with my services and everything about them. Well, there are a few ways you can change this up so it doesn't become overwhelming. And my advice is to promote knowledge always and your services often. What I mean by that is that you want people to see you as an expert. So how will they do that if they don't know what you know? My advice is to share different tips, for example, on Pinterest marketing. Share tips through posts, through Instagram reels, through everything else that you can through stories, and then create special highlights for that. It is very important for people to see that you really know what you're talking about before they can purchase your services or even check out your digital products. So you don't have to be ashamed to promote your knowledge at all, and you don't have to be ashamed to promote your services either, because how will people know that you offer services if you don't promote them? After all, Instagram is a promotional platform. When people follow you, your account needs to be very well optimized for business. If you don't know how to do that, please check out this video right here. So they will know why they are following you. They are following you for advice, and they know that you offer services and what your business is about, so they won't be bothered by you promoting them. Either way, if people are bothered, they're just going to unfollow though. That's okay. You want people to know that you offer services and as much information about them as possible, but you don't have to promote them every single day, if you know what I mean. Now let's talk about selling in your DMs, because this is so much more powerful than people make it seem. And I didn't know that before I started doing this and before I started my social media marketing business. Because even if somebody comes from your YouTube video or comes from your blog post or just comes to your Instagram account because they found it in the explore page and they just have a random question about Instagram or Pinterest marketing. Even if they just ask you, okay, but how do I post an idea pin? How do I post a reel on Instagram? What are your tips? If you can offer them with that little advice, not only they will probably recommend you to their friends if their friend suddenly says, oh, I need an Instagram manager, but they will also really recommend you to anyone else that they know. They will keep in mind that you help them, and when they will need your services, they will keep you in mind as well, and they will most likely choose to work with you in the future. Your replies and expertise can help create a connection with you and the actual customer or future customer. So I cannot tell you how many times I've actually sold services just because I replied to Instagram messages. People weren't really looking to buy a service necessarily, or they were, but they were just not sure, and I helped them realize I am the person that will help them in growing their business. That's what made them trust me, and because they talked to me, they got to know how I am and basically had a one-on-one conversation with me, they were much more likely to purchase the service. Another thing that you can do to make this easier for your customers or for people DMing you on Instagram is to enable frequently asked questions on your account or conversation starters. If you want to learn how to do that, please watch this video right here. So there you go, this is exactly how you promote and market services on your Instagram account to sell more and to have more clients. If you've enjoyed this video and it helped you out, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos every single week. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Lidia.incomingsuccess, as well as on TikTok for more information and tips on how to make more money online. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.